right. I'm going to quickly share what we're going to cover next week. I know some of you have to leave soon. So this is the scenario for next week. Imagine yourself visiting a doctor talking about your aches and pain. Okay. You can come up with any scenario, right? You can talk about, and I'm going to share a small, like a 1 or 2 minute video to talk about, how you can do that. So you have some template. But essentially, if you think about it, you can use a lot of present continuous tense, such as मुझे दांत में दर्द हो रहा है. Okay, मुझे कल से दर्द हो रहा है. I've been experiencing it for the last 2 days, right? So you can come up with similar sentence. Ideally, it will be great if you can pair up with someone, in Hindi University, and you can do a role play. Okay, one can be a doctor, one can be a patient. Ideally, if you can find it. If not, you can do it yourself, as a conversation. Like as a patient, I said this, and the doctor is responding this. If you notice it, soon we will shift from a monologue where a person is looking at the image and talking, or you're describing it yourself, will soon shift from there to a dialogue where two people are talking. Not only you are telling, you're asking questions as well.